How to in few. Today we're going to change some wiper blades. Pretty easy process, but these look a little different than some of the older cars I'm used to. This will be the first time that we'll change them on this car, and there's some type of different catch release. Supposedly it's easier, but new things sometimes aren't always easy, so we're going to change those today and see exactly what it's going to take to change it on. This is a Chevy Traverse. It's quite a few other lambda body vehicles that have this exact same design. I'll list them in the description and probably in the title. So let's get started. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is lift this up. I'm going to take a look and see if it's an easy release. There's an arrow on there as if it wants me to pull forward. Nope, okay. So it just slides out. A little bit different than the older style that I'm used to. Let's go ahead and look at our new wipers. Okay, so here's our new wiper. This is also a Bosch. Ordered these on Amazon. Looks a little different. Alright, so after trying it out in our wiper arm, we need a 3. So we have to replace this housing right here, which just comes off. And then this should, some way or another, just click on. Alright, now that wiper is ready to insert. I'm going to go ahead and get the other one ready. This side is a shorter 21-inch. Take that piece, and then we will look for our number 3. There we go. Since I'm on this side, go ahead and work on this one. That's it. Now the other side. Driver's side. And there we go. Clean up our mess. Okay, one more wiper to do, this rear one. It looks a little funny because the entire thing is covered in a steel cover. That helps these wipers last a lot longer because they're not in direct sunlight. The front design too is similar, that the body of the wiper shades the rubber, making them last a little bit longer. A little more expensive, but definitely worth the trade-off. Have some pliers here I'm going to use to try and push down the tab. This is more of a traditional wiper blade. It's just hidden. You can see the blade part is completely gone. And we're gonna replace that with, that's actually a plastic one, but we're gonna replace it with this metal one. And it has actually the correct style of attachment already on it. into place. It does stick out quite a bit more than the other one, so it's not going to be protected as much from the sun, but it'll work. And here you can see that. Alright, so there we go. New wipers on a Chevy Traverse. I think there's a Buick Enclave version, and then also GMC, I think it might be Acadia or something like that. And then even the Cadillac something or another SUV is running on this same chassis. They all look just a little bit different, but they're essentially same drivetrain and similar parts and processes. So hopefully that helped you change your wipers yourself. I got these much cheaper on Amazon than I would have gotten somewhere else locally, so I saved a few dollars doing it myself. I hope that you can too. So if you find that helpful, give me a thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment below, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.